Hi, I'm gonna making the air fry steak today. So before I start, I need to heat up the air fryer first. So on air fryer. So let the preheat first. Gonna preheat for 400. Before you air fry it, you have to be out at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes, and make sure you dry it. And brush some oil. Not too much, but have a little bit in it. The other side too. I sprinkle some salt. Then the black pepper. And I like put some onion powder in it. It's onion powder. Okay, so let it sit. Now I'm waiting for the air fryer ready. Okay, now the air fryer is ready. So I'm gonna put it in there. I do 18 minutes. Okay, I do it 400 for 9 minutes for each side, and I'll be right back. Okay, the 9 minutes up. So I'm gonna flip it another side. I'm gonna finish another 9 minutes. Okay, the 9 minutes up. So the steak is ready. Oh, looks good. So I'll take it right here. Okay, this is kind of windy, so I'm going to take it inside the house. So I'll cut it a little bit to show you. See, kind of medium rare to me. But see, this steak is so thick, so if your steak is not that thick, you can air fry it less the time. So this steak I total did at about 18 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna transfer to the cleaner plate right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here to show you. And I'm gonna put some butter on top of it. Gonna sprinkle some parsley on top of it. Okay, that's I have today the air fryer steak.